Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart which you are viewing is an 1 hour chart. That means all the candlestick here represents 1 hour. Whenever I place the cursor on a particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. These vertical dotted lines indicates the price opening and closing for the respective days. Now let us see what happened yesterday. What we expected yesterday was that we expected that the market will continue its downtrend. We know that the price just gave a clear bounce back yesterday, but still we expected that the market will stay in line with the trend till 4,760. Now you can see the price is exactly the major resistance is exactly coming and converging with the average, which indicates that this is going to be a very key zone in making a decision. What happened yesterday was that yesterday we can see the price open somewhere around 4,720, but the LTP would have been around 4,700. So it is a spike down opening. But what happened after that was, after the price opening, the market formed a support around 4,700. We should watch this 4,700 very closely. Why it is important? Because step by step, if you analyze the 4,700 zones, every time it had provided a bounce back. Once here it formed a very good support here. Even though there are zigzag price actions, we need to watch 4,700. Again you can see here the price provided a bounce back. It maintained 4,700 as a support and went up till 4,740. And you can see yesterday the price formed a clear support around 4,700. On the previous day you can see 4,700 acted as a resistance here. So this is going to be a crucial point. So why we are stressing on this is that once the price opens, when the price was trading in this zone, please concentrate more on this 4,700. And what happened after taking a support around this zone, the price went up and just it couldn't cross the previous day's high. It just tested the previous day's high, but it couldn't sustain or cross the previous day's high. So it again came down, and we know that the last candle was not updated, so the closing would be considered around 4,700 teens, might be 14 or 16. The price was in the same zone. The price closed here, which means that the yesterday's if we consider the LTP, we can say the price closed just above the LTP opened around 10 o'clock. On showing the opening, we can say it just it closed below. So the most important fact is the price closed below 4,720, and the price closing is just lower than the previous day's price closing, which still indicates that the downtrend is still intact. So what we can say is that but we need to watch this 4,700 very carefully. So what today we can expect crude to continue its downtrend again till 4,760. Please make a note that this 4,760 is going to be the trend deciding zones, which means that if the price is going to break 4,760, it will completely reverse its trend. Crude can possibly reverse its trend if you find a breakout above 4,760 and a closing above 4,760. So please maintain your stop loss. So that is the major reason we are identifying the trend deciding zones. Now let us see the price opening. What we expect was that there may not be much changes in the price opening. It is likely to open between 4,710 and 4,720, because it may be subjected based upon the dollar price. In the NYMEX we are predicting the price opening. It may be subjected to changes based upon where the rupee is opening. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. We are also expecting crude to continue its downtrend. Please have a close watch around 4,760, 720 and 700 zones. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.